Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on your do not disturb in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to on your do not disturb, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on do not disturb in our Motorola phone device. In this video guys, I will show you guys. So guys, now let's see how to on do not disturb. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on your do not disturb setting. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your sound setting. So guys tap here and guys scroll, then guys you can see do not disturb. So guys we will click here. Then guys you can see only get noticed by important people and apps. So guys turn on. After on guys you can see this do not disturb will stay on until you turn it off. So as you can see guys, this setting guys, this so do not disturb will on. Then guys you cannot listen guys your notification and guys alarm and ringtone and dial pad tone like that guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on do not disturb in our Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.